Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I did not trade Boeing today, but now that the dust has settled, some very well-defined areas from the technical point of view, and I emphasize well-defined because when areas are well-defined, that means a lot of people are watching them. And when a lot of people are watching the same levels, call that a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have with a couple of these areas right here. So like I said, I'm not trying to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching these same exact levels. So the first level that, like I said, stands out quite a bit is right down here at this main area of support. And let's just call it 162.15. You can see that several times throughout the course of the morning. And then early afternoon right there, the price was down around that level. And to give credit where credit's due, each and every time the price held. So while none of this is guaranteed to happen, my point here is this is a more than valid and rational thought to be having, is that if the price does come down to that area, behaves like that, and then breaks to the downside, that could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but a situation where, yeah, that's the level worth watching, because if the price breaks below there, then like I said, that could create some excitement to the downside. So 162.15, definitely a very important level of support. In the event that level is broken, the next level of support would then be that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average, and the current value of that is right there. We'll just call it $160. So keep your eye on those couple of areas from the support side of things. In terms of areas of resistance, every breakout player and their brother's uncle is going to be watching this area moving into Wednesday, and that sits right there at, let's see, what is that? 165.50. So again, nothing is guaranteed, but it's a more than valid thought that if the price works its way up there, gets the break, that could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So keep an eye on that also from the resistance side of things. But overall, a nice little pattern here. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.